Yes, so hello all. I hope you all are doing well. So here we have another video. Last time the Gemini subscription which I have done, the promotion which was done by me, it was very much successful, and I thank all the people who have taken active participation in it. Today, as the Gemini has already ended the subscription, so we have now I would now like to introduce you to something called as a Comet, Comet. Yes, as you may know that it is part of a solar system, something related to that. So we have the Comet browser subscription, which is provided by the Perplexity, and Comet is basically a totally AI based browser. As we know that there is a Chrome browser, we have the Edge, we have the Safari. In the same way, we have something. This is the Chrome. It is the AI based version of a browser where everything is handled, and it helps you to boost your efficiency and productivity towards the work. So basically, starting with how you can get this, right? It is hardly a 5 to 6 minute step. Basically, how you download normal software or you do any installation on your laptop, it is similar to that. So firstly, one of the most important point, currently Comet browser is only available for laptops and desktop. It is not available for mobile purpose. So if you are going to take the subscription, please use your laptops only or your desktops, no mobile phones. We will start. So basically this is the link, this will be given in the description also, don't worry, and this entire document will also given to you in the description, and my LinkedIn will be also given. So if at any point of time you are unable or you are stuck, you can connect with me whenever required and enroll for this. Let me remind you, the last date for using Comet for completely free, this browser which is AI based, is 31st October. So please try to enroll and ask your friends to enroll before that. Okay, so first step is basically you have to click on this link, which is the link you have, which will redirect you to the official page of Comet. So once you are going to click this link, it will, the UI will, for example, this is the UI currently. So in this UI it will be shown to you that accept the invite. Okay, so basically I'm inviting you with the help of my this link to download it. So you have to just accept the invite. Once the invite has been accepted, what you have to do, and the following UI will occur, that welcome to Comet, your download start. If basically your download will start automatically. In case if it does not start, so you can click this download Comet. Okay, and currently it is available for Windows as well as Mac OS, both it is supported. It is only available for laptop and desktop, not for mobile phones. So the exe file will be started, it will be done .exe. So when that .exe has been done, you have to just double click and open the exe file. Now what's next? Once that is done, you have to click on start install, and the program starts to install, and the following two UI demonstrated. So basically while it is getting downloaded and installed, it will show you that what this can do, like what Comet can do. As it's provided by Perplexity, you can see the symbol of Perplexity here and then the Comet here. So yes, so installation has been completed. Once the installation is completed, you simply have to click launch Comet. Now once you are going to launch Comet, a very good beautiful UI animation will be shown to you. Okay, you have to click this get started. So then means after showing you some uh, animation, it is going to display you this welcome to Comet. You have to click on get started. Once get started, it is going to show you all the Chrome accounts that are existing on your mobile, right, or on your desktop. So to make it more personalized, you can say, so you have to click this drop down, and when you click this drop down, you're going to get all the accounts which are currently there in your laptop or in your machine, and you have to select any one. And then after selecting, you have to just start that. So when you click the next, it is going to give you the planets logos whichever you want for your profile. For example, you have selected this one, you have to type your username and an avatar you have to select. And then you also have the option to select the theme, for example light, dark, or based on the device model. You have to edit something, so you can do like that when you have to just click continue. Once this is done, this is the final step, that is making, like if you want to make a Comet as your default browser, for example there is Chrome and all, some they're already the default browser. If you want to make Comet also, you have to click. So basically just some of the permission it is asking, make Comet as your default, add Comet to your taskbar. So if you don't want any of these things, you can just uncheck, or you can just let them be checked, and you have to just click start Comet, right? So once you click start Comet, you have to click the account with the help of which you have to log in on your Comet account, as it is a browser, so it basically needs an account. So you have to click continue with Google or continue with the Apple. As I told, it is available for both. Select the account, and yes, you are on the Comet browser. You have enrolled successfully if you have done this freely, and you have the entire subscription to use whenever, if you have done before 31st of October 2025. So now, yes, one of the most important step, this too, you have got the browser. Now final step which is remaining, what you have to do is, you have to see, whenever you have done all these step 7, you are on the main page of Comet. You have to at least ask any one question to the Comet. So basically this is the UI of Comet, right? You will be there on this UI. So you have to at least ask any one question. You can tell, you can ask the Comet like basically how other LLMs we are converting, where we are talking, your conversation having with them. You can ask this, you have to type this, ask a follow up, you can write the your prompt and send to it. It is going to reply very beautifully. So example here, what I was saying, hello, tell me about Comet by Perplexity I asked about himself only. You can ask anything, you can ask about give a roadmap for Python in learning development. You can ask for finance related some terms, you can ask business related some terms. So you must, what I mean to say, after all these steps are completed, in order to get a valid and pure subscription, you must ask at least one question. Because if you are only going to leave till that much, maybe later it may happen something like your validation is not done at the backend, and it may, like after few days you will be facing issues. So it is very important that you at least ask one question, because based on this one question, the response, the final installation will be done at the behind. So that was all be about this Perplexity AI and the Comet, which is being provided by Perplexity. So if you have any doubts, you all can always connect with me on LinkedIn. And the use case of this Perplexity AI, of how I'm using it and how it is beneficial to me with respect to others, I'm going to cover in the next video. And until then, all the best and take care. Thank you and goodbye. And do share with your friends as much as possible. And all the best then.